Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chewy butterscotch chocolate chip cookies. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Add the butter into a small saucepan and place it onto the stove over a medium-high heat and heat it until it melts. Then you need to keep heating it until it turns a nice golden brown color. Brown butter has a really nice nutty flavor to it, so it adds an extra depth of flavor to the cookies. If it bubbles up a lot, then take it off the heat to see how much it has browned. So once it's a nice brown color, remove it from the heat and pour it into a liquid measuring cup, and it should measure half a cup. While it's heating on the stove, some of the water in the butter evaporates, so if it measures less than half a cup, top it off with cold water until it measures half a cup. Then set it aside and let it cool. You can place it into the fridge to speed up that process, just don't leave it in until it solidifies. Then in a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon, and whisk them until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add in the brown butter. Again, make sure it's cooled down, sugar, and brown sugar, and beat it with an electric mixer on high speed for 3 minutes until it lightens and thickens. If it doesn't lighten and thicken after mixing for a minute, it means the mixture is too hot, so stop mixing and leave it to cool. Then add in the egg and vanilla extract and beat them in on high speed for another minute. Then add in the dry ingredients, chocolate chips, butterscotch chips, and chopped pecans, which is optional, and mix them in by hand until they're evenly combined. Scoop out 2 tablespoons of dough for each cookie and place them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, spacing them out 1.5 to 2 inches apart to give them room to spread. And bake them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes or until they're just starting to lightly brown around the edges. When they're done, remove them from the oven. Sprinkle a bit of coarse salt on top of them. Then bang the pan on the countertop to help flatten them out so they're not so puffy. Then let them cool in the pan for 2 minutes. And transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool a little longer, and you can serve them still warm or cooled completely. And that's how to make chewy butterscotch chocolate chip cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.